what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Fortune Foam. In this video, I have a product from Wish that I had ordered, and I was going to unbox it and review it for you guys. The item I ordered was a mask from Overwatch Soldier 76. It looked pretty cool. I got a lot of hopes for it, but here's the box it came in. It doesn't look too great. It's a little bit rough, so I'm kind of worried. You can even see some of the item poking out from the side there. But anyway, let's open this up. Hopefully it's not too bad. So one thing I did see when I was ordering this, it gave me the option to order with box or without box, and now I'm definitely glad I ordered with box because this thing looks like it got trashed. Alright. Okay, so here it is. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Okay, well the lights don't work. I think it mentioned something about it not having batteries, but I don't know. We'll see. Seems to be, there's like a little battery pack right here. I think I have some batteries, so I might try to put those in. Hopefully I can get it to work. It's got a strap right here. So I ordered this on the first. Yeah, it was the 1st of July when I ordered this. It gave me an estimated delivery date of July 25th, and today's the 27th, so it was a couple days late, which isn't that bad. But I don't know. Overall, it doesn't seem like it's that bad of a product. I mean, there's little slight scuffs on the lens, it looks like. It could just be dirt, but it don't look like it's in like super mint condition or anything. It almost kind of looks like it's been worn a little bit, but it's not too bad for the price. It wasn't bad either. All right, definitely needs to be adjusted. So it's easy to adjust, just one little single strap on the back here. It's elastic. It's definitely not the most comfortable thing to wear, but it seems like it fits pretty good. It's kind of hard to see out of, a little bit blurry through this red lens. I don't have the lights on yet. I'm sure once those are on, it'll be even harder to see out of. But yeah, let's see if I can find some batteries, or see if hopefully this thing will come on. If not, then I probably just got a defective product. But before we go that far, let's just see if we can get that battery changed out. Okay, I got some batteries. Let's see if I can't get these in here. Oh, there we go. So the lens definitely does work. That's pretty cool. Let's see how good the visibility is whenever the mask itself is on. Okay, it's a little bit worse, but it's not too bad. It's pretty cool. I like it. Not bad for the price. I think after shipping and everything, it was right around 40 bucks. Little on and off switch right there on the side of the mask itself. Overall, I think it's pretty cool. The one difference I do notice right off the bat is in the image, it showed that this front was black. Maybe it's just the way the lighting was in the picture, but this part looked black in the images online. Not a huge deal. I think it's actually supposed to be a dark gray anyways. But yeah, like I said, there's a few little, little minor scuff marks you probably can't tell in camera, which is a good thing. Because I mean, they're not super noticeable it's just me nitpicking at it. Other than that, I'm actually pretty happy with this. It came in 2 days late. Price I don't think was too bad. There were other cheaper versions of this on Wish, but I went with the one that actually had some pretty decent reviews. I'm always a little leery about that kind of stuff on Wish. If there's no reviews or anything, I don't know. I'd rather take and spend a few extra bucks on something that seems like it's probably gonna be legit versus going out on a limb. All right, let's kind of dim the lights, see how bright this mask looks. Okay, here it is in a pretty dark room. Definitely a lot brighter. It's still pretty hard to see out of, but it's, like I said, you can still tell what you're looking at, where you're going. So as far as cosplay goes, I think it's still pretty good because, I mean, there's a lot of cosplays out there that really don't have much visibility, and that's just part of it. But yeah, I like it. Overall, I think it is a good buy. Alright guys, so overall, I think it's definitely worth it. Despite the damaged box it came in, it turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I mean, I guess that's all I have for you on this thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, I got some marks on my forehead. Like, it's definitely not that comfortable. I could probably fix that by adding some foam to the insides right here, just so I got a little bit of cushion, a little bit of padding right there. And I probably had this a little bit too tight, but other than that, it's not bad. I think I can make a few minor adjustments to it to make it even better. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If so, leave a like and please subscribe. If you don't know, I also make props, as you can see in the background, and I will be doing some loot crate unboxings as well once those come in. And I will plan on ordering other things similar to this from, like, say, Wish and other sites, and do little unboxings and reviews of it as well. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.